model, as popular as the Toyota RAV4, gets a redesign, it immediately grabs attention, and the 2026 RAV4 takes things to a whole new level. This isn't just a minor update. Toyota has pushed the RAV4 into a fully electrified era, offering hybrid and plug-in hybrid powertrains that deliver both efficiency and excitement. The standard hybrid pairs a 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine with electric motors, giving you around 226 horsepower on front-wheel drive versions and about 236 horsepower with all-wheel drive. The power delivery feels smooth and responsive, perfect for city driving and long trips. The plug-in hybrid version steps things up dramatically, producing up to 320 horsepower with improved electric range. It can drive up to around 50 miles on battery power alone and even supports DC fast charging on select trims, making it one of the most versatile PHEVs in its class. Underneath, the RAV4 rides on an improved platform that's been reinforced for better stability and comfort. Toyota reworked the suspension, strengthened the body, and added sound-absorbing materials to create a smoother, quieter cabin experience. Whether you're cruising on the highway or navigating rougher roads, the 2026 RAV4 feels more refined and controlled than ever. The exterior gets a bold new attitude. The front design adopts a modern, angular look with a hammerhead-style grille that gives it a stronger presence on the road. Depending on the trim, you'll see wheel options from 17 to 20 inches. Toyota has also introduced 3 distinct personalities: Core for everyday practicality, Rugged for outdoor adventure with higher ground clearance and off-road lighting, and Sport with sleek aerodynamic touches and more aggressive styling. The GR Sport trim is especially performance-minded, bringing sport-tuned suspension, sharper steering, and bigger wheels. Inside, the cabin feels more upscale and technologically advanced. A new digital experience powered by Toyota's next-generation software gives you a crisp 10.5-inch touchscreen on most trims. With an optional 12.9-inch display and a 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster, voice control, wireless updates, and a cleaner shift-by-wire design create a modern and seamless driving environment. Material quality has been noticeably upgraded. With soft-touch surfaces, synthetic leather, micro-suede, and unique nature-inspired accents on adventure-focused trims, safety gets a major boost with Toyota's latest Driver Assist suite. Features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping, collision detection, and improved braking management work together to create a safer driving experience. New chassis controls help reduce body roll and enhance stability, especially during cornering or sudden maneuvers on the road. The RAV4 Hybrid delivers solid performance, going from 0 to 60 in just a little over 7 seconds. The plug-in hybrid is much quicker, estimated around 5 seconds, giving you unexpected punch for a family SUV. Fuel economy is one of its strongest advantages, with some hybrid models reaching into the mid-40s for miles per gallon. Towing capability is also impressive, with certain AWD hybrids able to pull up to 3,500 pounds. It's not flawless under heavy acceleration. The engine can sound a bit loud, and some lower trims still use harder plastics, but the improvements in design, comfort, technology, and performance outweigh these minor drawbacks. Overall, the 2026 Toyota RAV4 feels like a major step forward. It blends electrified power, rugged versatility, and premium comfort into one smart, stylish package. Whether you want efficiency, performance, off-road capability, or modern tech, the new RAV4 delivers something for everyone, making it one of the most well-rounded SUVs of the year.